Hello students, today we are going to start class 2nd subject EVS chapter 10 safety first. Accidents take place when we are careless and neglect safety rules, and safety rules are such rules and methods which help us to remain safe. We must follow these safety rules to avoid getting hurt and causes ourselves any injury. Okay, so the accidents are taking the place in our life also because we are getting, sometimes we are getting careless and we are neglecting the safety rules. That's why, so avoiding this, what we have to do? So safety first, we will learn safety at home. Do not jump over bed or sofa or chair. We don't jump on bed, sofa or chair. Do not play with matchstick, knife or blade, and we don't play with the matchstick, knife and blade. Do not play with fire, and we don't play with fire. Do not take medicines on your own, and we don't have to take the medicines in our own. We have to take permission with our parents and the doctor, then we have to take the medicines. Do not put your finger into an electric socket, and we don't have to put our finger in electric socket. Do not touch electrical switch with wet hands, and we did not touch electrical switch with the wet hand, means with our wet hand we have to dry our hands and then we have to switch on the. Now safety at school. Do not stand on chairs and desks. Do not run in the corridors and up and down the stairs. Do not break the queue or push others while waiting in the queue. Do not fight with others, and the meaning of queue is we have to stand in the line and don't move here and there. Do not fight with others, and we don't have to fight with others. Now safety at playground. Do not push or pull each other while playing. Do not come in the way of a moving swing. Always follow the rules of the game and be careful while playing a game. Now the safety on road. Use footpath for walking on road. Always walk on the left side of the road. Never play on roads. You may get hit by any vehicles. Always wear helmet while riding bike or motorbike. Cross the road only after looking first to the right, then the left, and then again to the right to make sure that no vehicle is coming. Then cross the road only at zebra crossing or subway. Okay, now just take the pencil and just mark down the difficult words. Safety rules: jump, matchstick, knife, blade, medicines, electrical switch, injury, corridors, queue, swing, motorbike, crossing and subway. Now come to the, and this difficult words you have to do in your copy. Now come to the exercise first. Do not put your finger into dash electric socket. Second, do not run in the corridor. Third one, do not come in the way of moving swing. Fourth one, use the footpath for walking. And the fifth one is always wear helmet while riding a bike. Now the true false. Never wear helmet while riding bike. False. We have to wear the helmet when we are riding the bike. Now second, cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Yes, true. Do not play with matchstick knife or blades. True. Never play on the road. True. Run in the corridors and up and down the stairs. No. False. Okay, this is your true false. Now come to the question number C, and you have to do this question number in your copy. Okay, after difficult words, just write down the answer the following questions in your copy. What are safety rules? Safety rules are such rules and methods which help us to remain safe. Now turn the page. What is should there be in a first aid box? The first aid box should contain cotton, thermometer, scissor, antiseptic lotion, bandage and some medicines. Okay, now the third one. What can happen if safety rules are not followed? Accidents take place when we are careless and neglect safety rules. This is your question answers. Now the question number D. Fill the correct colors in the traffic light. So this is your homework. You have to do this in your textbook only. You have to color it. Okay, and after completing your work, you have to learn your difficult words, the exercise and the question answers. Thank you.